Welcome back to SBJ Academy. In the earlier class, we have studied how to file EPF return on EPFO website. Today, we are going to study how to remit the EPF contribution on the EPFO site. Because if your HR department or consultant filed the return and they may not be remit the amount because it will be a huge amount. So as an accountant, it is your duty to make the payments. They will file the return on the portal and they will request us to make the payments. So somebody have filed the return and now somebody going to make the payments. How can we make the payments? This is our today's class. For that, first of all, go to the unified portal epfindia.in, log in with the employer code. Now I am logged in with the employer code and on the portal. Here on the fourth tab we can see payments. Click on payments, ECR return filing. When we are uploading the ECR, filing the ECR, we are using the ECR upload option. Now in this case we already uploaded and filed the return. Now we have to make the payments. See here, ECR pending for payments. 1. Click to pay. It is flickering. So click on that link. It will goes to the ECR Challan page. Now it is showing payments. Click on pay. Select the bank name. Now we log into net banking site. Under user reference number, you can input EPF November 2020. These all are the credentials of the net banking. Our amount is showing here. Under payment details, also you can give your own reference EPF November 2020. Now we are submitting the data to the banking system. Now we remitted the monthly contribution which is already filed on the EPFO portal. This is how we are making the payments later. If you are the first time viewer, kindly go to the channel. Under the playlist online filing, you can see classes relating to online filing of income tax, TDS, EPF, ESI, GST, everything. If you really like the class, please like, share and drop your comments. Please subscribe to the channel. You will get important classes in future. Every day we are uploading the classes for the working peoples and students also. We can see on the next class. Bye.